Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Umaira Said, lecturer English Time Institute, Pakistan, and the topic which I have lined up today to discuss is the parts of the speech, and it is very much important in the grammar. Like it is lined up as the basic grammar. So many of the students get confused, and if someone asks that how many parts of speeches are, and they sometimes claim there are 10 parts, there are 12 parts, there are 9 parts, but basically there are 8 parts of speech, and these parts of speeches will be discussed in the line of actions which I have started today. So the 8 parts of speeches are noun, pronoun, adverb, adjectives, verb, conjunction, interjection and preposition. The basic thing is that what actually the speech is. The speech is the collection of sentences, and what is a sentence? The sentence is the group of the word. It means that if the words are assembled together and if they are giving a meaning, that is said to be the sentence. A sentence is the collection of words which have a sensible meaning. There are so many sentences which are the jumbling of words, but there are no particular meaning come out of that. As I used to give a very common example to my students, that if I write man eats burger, in this sentence we have the 3 basic elements. Number 1, subject, verb and object. But if I say that burger eats man, it is a sentence as well. We have the subject, verb and object, but this collection of words or this sentence is giving us the correct meaning, or it is a meaningful sentence, whereas the sentence number 2 is a sentence as well, but there is no meaning related to that. So the speech is the collection of sentences, and the collection and sentence is the collection of words. If I say that Aslam goes to school, so in this sentence we have the few words, and all these words belong to particular class. Like if I say that this Aslam belongs to noun, this belongs to verb, and this belongs to object, and this belongs to another noun as well. It means that this sentence is composed of 3 basic parts of a speech: noun, verb and another noun. So this is the speech, when you have to categorize and compartmentalize that how from which class this word belongs to. So this is the parts of speech, and in a sentence you have to find out these parts of speeches, and if some of the part of speeches is not present in the sentence, your sentence shall not be completed. Most of the students get very confused when we discuss them about the noun. So the first parts of speech we discussed today is the noun. What is noun? You have been familiar since your childhood when your teacher asks you that what actually the noun is. The conventional definition of the noun is the name of the person, place or a thing. Like any person, any place or anything, if it is present in a sentence and working as a subject of the sentence or object of the sentence, is said to be the noun. So one function of the noun is that in a sentence it can be subject and it can be object as well. So look at this sentence: Aslam goes to school. So my dear student, here Aslam is a noun, here the school is a noun, because noun is the name of person, place or any of the thing. So noun can be used in a sentence as a subject of the noun or object of the sentence as well. What is the common noun? Common noun means that when a word, a noun which is used for any person, place or a thing. Like if I say boy, city, girl, school. So these are the common nouns. There are so many schools, there are so many girls, boys and cities. The word which is commonly circulated and speculated to categorize into a parts of speech is said to be the common noun. The number 2 is the proper noun. Proper means when someone owes something. Like if you owe something, that is the proper noun. if I write a very common example, Aslam, Multan, Saira, Zakaria Public School. So these are the proper nouns because Aslam own his name, you own your name, but you own something when you have a property of something is said to be the proper noun. It is generally said that a proper noun sometimes function as a common noun as well. If I write Pakistan is the Switzerland is like the Switzerland, it means here I am not going to use the word simile. I am relating that Pakistan, which is very proper noun, can be used or replaced with an other proper noun. If I say that Aslam is the Shakespeare of his college. So it doesn't mean that he is going to replace the Shakespeare. It means that Aslam, which is the common, Aslam is now the common noun and now it is being replaced with the proper noun. That's how the common noun can be become or replaced by the proper noun as well. The number 3 is the collective noun. The definition is very simple about the collective noun, and that is a group of the words which can be used as a single unit. Like there are so many things which can be considered as one single unit or a complete whole is said to be the collective noun. As we said, team, class, flock. As we say, police, army, fleet. So these are the words which are used as a collective noun. Like in a team, in a cricket team, there are 12 members, but we consider as a one single unit. In police, there are thousands of people, but we are considering as a one single unit. In a class, if there are 100 students, we said class come here or class is making a noise. So why I am using the verb singular or the single verb with this class? Because class is considering as one complete unit is said to be the collective noun. The next is material noun. The word is very much obvious. Material means when something is made out of something. Like material noun means that a name of material or matter or a substance out of which something is made. Like water, iron, cement, milk, cotton. So these are the material nouns out of which you can make some other things. So these are the material nouns. Now we are going to discuss another important type of the noun which is very significant in discussing of the noun is abstract noun. Abstract noun deals with the quality, action or the state. Again I am repeating that abstract noun deals with the quality of something, quality of any person, place or a thing, the action of any person, the state of anything is said to be the abstract noun. So if I say that the action is, suppose if I say quality, so write down this quality, like the quality of something is goodness, bravery, like you may say it is if he is courageous, brightness, softness, hardness. So it is the quality of something. Like it having a goodness in it, he is very brave, it is a quality of someone, the picture is so bright, it is very soft, or the thing, it's very hard, so it is the quality of something. Action. Action means laughter, clapping, theft, walking, running. These are the action of some person or a thing. So these are the abstract noun. The last is the state of something. Old age, boyhood, childhood, weak, strong. So these are the state of some person or a thing. So abstract noun deals with the quality of some nouns, the action related to some nouns and the state of some nouns. The next is the countable and uncountable nouns. There are so many nouns which can easily be countable, like apple, boy, girl, it can be brothers, sisters, places or things. But there are few things which cannot be countable. These are the uncountable nouns. They can be measured, they can be calculated, they can be measured in length, they can be measured in meter, they can be weighted in the kilos. So these are the uncountable nouns like water, milk, cotton, air. Air is uncountable noun. Air is a noun but it is uncountable. How air is an uncountable noun and why? Because it is a material. Like with the presence of an air there are so many things, like the wheels are working on the basis of this air pressure. So this is the noun. So this was the topic which I bring you today. I hope that you would understand all the things which were mentioned, and next time we will discuss the pronoun. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.